So what is VTVM means? It is vacuum tube voltmeter, FET based voltmeter. Okay. So the vacuum tube voltmeter is an old type voltmeter which is used to measure the DC voltage or AC voltage, and the FET based voltmeter is now used. In the modern days they are using FET based voltmeter. The vacuum tube based voltmeter are used in olden days. In nowadays they are used FET based voltmeter. Okay, so these are used for high power AC measurements. So high power AC voltages are measured using the FET based voltmeter. So this is the FET based voltmeter. So the advantages are they have high input impedance, hence loading error is less, non-linearity is almost eliminated, and ability to indicate slow varying voltages. And digital voltmeter, and digital voltages is affected by many factors, mainly by temperature and by supply voltage variations. So digital voltages are now we are using in laboratories. Okay, so what are the digital? We are in our electronic devices lab, we are using the digital voltmeters which are calibrated using the LCD and LED displays. So it is used to show the DC and AC voltages. So this is the digital voltmeter which we are using in our lab. So far what we have seen in this class is it is a voltmeter. What is a voltmeter? So voltmeter is used to measure the voltage or potential difference between the basic circuits. There are two types of voltmeters. So one is used to measure the DC voltage and other one is used to measure the AC voltage. So the various types of voltmeters are analog voltmeters, vacuum tube based voltmeters, and FET based voltmeters, and digital voltmeters. So analog voltmeters, it is used to measure the analog voltage. In this we are using two types. One is the moving coil and another one is the moving iron. Moving coil is used to measure the DC voltage only, and moving iron is used to measure both the moving coil and moving moving iron instrument is used to measure both AC voltage and DC voltage. In moving coil instrument we are using the permanent magnet, and the current flow in the magnetic field which shows the and the torque extracted by that magnet shows the potential difference between the point. In DC voltage it is used to measure the DC voltage, and dynamometer type of moving coil, the interaction between we are using the two magnets. One is the fixed magnet and another one is the rotating magnet, and the force between or the repulsion between these two magnets shows the deflection of the voltage difference. This is the moving coil. So the blue and this rows are fixed and the center one is the moving. So the interaction between these two magnets shows the deflection of the voltage across the circuit. So these are the advantages of moving coil instruments which you have seen already. And moving iron voltmeter which is used to measure both AC voltage and DC voltage. It consists of movable and fixed coils. This moving coil already I have told. So these two are the coils. So when we switch on the supply, the current will flow across the coil. So the deflection between this coil and the magnet will show the deflection of the circuit. Electrostatic voltmeters which are using three principles. One is the repulsion, and second one is the attraction, third one is the symmetrical. In a repulsion type we will use the two magnets which are of same polarity, and the repulsion between the two same polarity magnets will create the deflecting torque. Attraction means in the magnet will have the attraction according to the current flow. So and this vacuum tube based voltmeter is used in olden days, and FET based voltmeter is used in modern days. And digital voltmeters were used in our laboratory which are calibrated using LCD and LED displays. And these are the advantages of voltmeters and various types of voltmeters. Okay, thank you.